guys, welcome to another episode. Today we are gonna go take an overnight train to Marrakesh. We are leaving our hotel in Tangier and we are going down to Marrakesh. The overnight train costs us $46 for 2 people. We don't know what to expect, but we are now heading down with Daniel. Daniel, say hi. Hi guys. So let's go guys, yalla. We are now on the bottom of the Medina. We are gonna get ourselves a taxi. 25 dirhams to the train station, 6 or 7 minutes. So as you can see here at night, there's not a lot of people. The weather is a little cool, so I have my mini sweater on. Bye Tangier, I will miss you. So the way to get a taxi is literally just waiting here, and then if a taxi sees us, we're gonna wave like this. Taxi right here. Tangerville.
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 No.
Tangerville.
Train?
No, Kylian, no, même si c'est un seul.
Oh, is that bien? Okay. Let's try this one. Train station, Tangerville. Tangerville.
D'accord.
Train station. Si, train. Okay. Wait, how much? Okay, 20? Okay. Oh. There are police everywhere in the area. You know, I was actually talking to one of the policemen and he said that if there's anything wrong, Morocco has a very tight policy with tourism, which means that they protect their tourists. So if there's anything wrong, they will put the other person most likely in jail for a couple days. Any theft to the tourists or anything that occurs to the tourist. There are bright LED lights out there. It's all in Arabic, so I don't know how to read this. It's always tricky, you know, trying to come to a train station and not really knowing what to do and trying to look at this bulletin board here, and it's all in Arabic. So in Morocco, there's a lot of different types of trains that you guys can take. You can take bullet trains, you can take day trains, night trains, sleeper trains. It's a country that has a lot of transportation for sure. The train here going to Marrakesh leaves in the morning, midday, afternoon, and night. And we are taking the night train. We're at the station. We're gonna check in there. We checked in and we got our ticket here. We are now gonna just take a seat. Take a seat here. See, there's a huge line of people coming from a train. I'm not sure where from, but you know, everyone takes a train and it's very accessible to the public. It's not too expensive and it's an easy way to transport between one city and another. And I'm ready to sleep on this train, guys. Okay. So many people coming from the train outside there. Like Morocco really developed their train station. As you guys can see, there's a coffee place over there, there's a pharmacy, there's a grocery store, there's data, and look at the LED lights that they installed. We're just waiting for a gate. We're gonna go through there once we are called. These 2 Brazilian girls came up to me and they were saying, oh, like make sure you get a bed because the sleeper train has different classes. And when I was booking, it was interesting because I only saw one type of class to book. So it turns out we have seats, not bed. So I am trying to go back here and see if we can get a bed. So this is so stressful. Why is it this stressful? And I was wondering if I can switch this to a bed.
To a bed?
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, perfect. Do you know how much that is?
154 for one person.
154 extra?
Yeah.
Oh, extra. Okay. Can we 2 bed?
2 bed?
Yes.
300.
Okay.
2 men?
Yes.
Woman.
Man,
woman? Oh.
No, man.
Men.
Yeah.
Okay. This is for bed. You have menu.
Oh,
Okay.
interesting. Okay, I didn't know that.
This is for that.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Now we have the right tickets. And we were supposed to be in a chair. We were supposed to be sitting in a chair for like 8 or 9 hours to Marrakesh, which I did not want. So I switched to the beds. And it was interesting because he asked me if it was a man or woman for the tickets. So I said it was man because if it was a man and woman, regardless if you were married or not, you have to sleep separately. I got us a bed.
Yeah?
Yeah, same.
Two beds?
Yes.
Okay.
Since I booked wrong, I'll pay for you.
Okay.
Okay, I got us a bed.
Alright, bet.
How do you feel now that you won't be sitting for 9 hours?
Better. Much better.
Sorry, what's your name?
My name is Isim. I study in the province of Showan about the history of the Morocco.
Oh wow. University of Morocco.
Yeah, I'm graduate from. I'm studying English now. Welcome to Morocco every day. We are very nice people here.
Yeah,
We are
very nice.
Very nice people.
Very nice.
We don't have any problem. We have a peaceful and quiet.
Yeah.
We have Showan. We have Marrakesh. We have Tanger. We
Yeah.
have Casablanca.
Yep.
Fez, Marrakesh,
Marsoga.
Essaouira. Thank you so
Yeah.
much and have a nice day. Enjoy
Yeah.
yourself.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Yeah,
goodbye,
good.
goodbye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Walking through, and we are gonna find our train. The ticket that we were gonna get, the seats in the train, but now we have upgraded to a bed. That would not be good. I would, oh my god, I would die, guys. Train ticket.
How your place?
Okay. Okay. Shukran.
I keep the ticket after I give you, okay?
Okay, perfect. Thank you. We are now in our sleeper train. Whoa! Look at this. This is my friend Hassan. Oh, shukran. They gave us some water. And Mr. Dan's in the bottom.
Thank you.
Can you wave hi?
Bye.
And we don't have anyone here. All right, guys, so just a quick tour. We have one bed up here, another bed down there, one bed here, and then one up here. You have luggages that you can put up here on this railing. It's pretty sturdy, so yeah. My luggage is here. I'm putting my shoes up here. It's not too much space. I got my stuff. I'm gonna be going to the bathroom and using and brushing my teeth and stuff. So that's coming up. I have water. I took off my sweater because it was kind of hot. Not really a lot of air ventilation here, so there's no fan or anything. And it's really hot. And as you can hear, the train is already moving. Wow. So let's look over here. We have a light. It's not too bright. A bed sheet and a pillow for Onsef. This right here is, I think they're gonna make announcements during the day or whenever they stop, but we can lower or increase the volume. And there's a button over there to open and close this light over here. This is my first time in a sleeper train, so I am so excited. Difference between inshallah and alhamdulillah.
That means thank you God. Thanks
Yeah.
God.
Thanks God.
That means something like this.
Inshallah.
Inshallah, that's if God wants it. If
Oh,
God
okay.
wants
That's why, like, when you say, "Oh, we'll come back to the restaurant," the guy's like, "Inshallah," like if God wills it.
I think that perhaps something will be happen.
Yeah.
For example, we are going somewhere
Yeah.
tomorrow, and I found my feeling. I am coming tomorrow, inshallah.
Yeah, oh,
perhaps in my road,
Yeah.
will be a problem, so I can't go. So I say always, inshallah. Perhaps if there is no problem, I arrive to you.
Okay.
That means inshallah.
And when you use alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, when you eat, you finish, you say alhamdulillah. Thanks to God, because God will give us the meal. Alhamdulillah.
Now we are gonna
And out here is the cart for the train, guys. I am walking right now to the bathroom. I'm trying to find the bathroom right now, but look outside. It's completely dark. It's 12 a.m. right now, so it's very creepy of the train. And here is the bathroom. So on the back of the train, so there's a push there. So let's get ready on the train together and prepare for bed. You have, you come in through the door with no paper towels, but this is the mirror. We have a sink here where you can push for water. And you also have soap, then trash, toilet paper, and then the toilet right here. This is actually harder than it seems. The train is moving so many directions. Rub softly. Whoa. The train is going so fast that my ears, I need to pop my ears basically. But yeah, this is the bathroom. We are gonna go in and just get ready for bed. I do want to say that the train is pretty loud. So, and also sometimes it stops, and sometimes it goes really fast. So we're gonna head on in and get ready for bed. Let's go, guys. Ocean. So we are now in bed, sleeping. So I will see you guys in the morning to Marrakesh. Good night, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.